Make a U-turn. In 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Yup. Well, this is great. So Mr. Skinner did not send 2 seats worth of 2 bottoms. Rather, he sent 1 entire seat's worth of foamies. And I can tell because this obviously is the back. And this wasn't part of the butt. So I'm going to... God damn it. Nowhere in here is there a second set of foamies. So what I got was 1 complete seat. Fucking clown. Okay, well, Roger that. Well, I guess the nice thing is, at least what I did with the seat back on the other one, the one that I just did a la carte with foam from Amazon, looks like this, right? My lumbar on the other one was a little bit thicker, but that's okay. You can see that the same horseshoe foamy is used for the butt and the back on the seats. This is unfucking believable. Okay, anyway, I'm not gonna bitch. So that being stated, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. I've got to make my own seat foamy for the other one, for the bottom, and I'm gonna use the same thing so there's consistency across both seats, so they look the same. In case my foamy, for the one that I made, is different. So, god damn it, pisses me off. Okay, here's the seat foamy bolster thing I'll be using for the bottom of the seat. Again, like I did on the last one. The other one that I've made out of the Amazon foam, I am going to use on the back bolster. I have cut out, ugly as hell, melted out the seat. That's the seat. And I had mentioned prior to that instead of tying the seat skin to what do you call it, straps, I bought some real thin metal wire. I don't know, hardware store metal section, and bent it into that shape by hand. I just did that. That's going to go under, and that's what I'll be using to more or less tie all the god damn, it's been a long day, thread and so forth too. So I've already got 2 of these things melted through. I've used a drill over there to drill holes through all these things. Again, like I did on the last one. And without further ado, here we go. This one is done. I'm going to do a little bit of rework to this later once this is stretched in a little bit. Yeah, not bad. I don't like the front. I don't know if that's just shadow or what, but it looks okay. You can see where here's the frame, and the padding at one point I think moved a little bit, or I scrunched it in incorrectly, and it's at an angle like that. So I don't like that either. I may redo this thing. It took a while to get it all finished out. The backing looks really nice compared to what the other one was. So those metal rods I bought really did a nice number. Yeah. So, on to the back. Okay, this one is done, and it took a long freaking time. If you take the piping here on the top and the sides and so forth as the kind of measure on how well I did, this piping needs to be stretched that way. This piping needs to be stretched that way. So I'm going to let this sit for a while, kind of stretch in, stretch out a little bit, and then re-stretch this. But I'm done, more or less. I've got some stuff there to hold it up in the back. You can see I did a lot better job with sewing into that metal rod that I put in there than I did on the other pieces. So I definitely learned what I was doing here. Hammer to hold it up. And again, what's left, like the other one, is that backing piece. I already have a plan for that. So I'm going to switch gears for a while because this is so freaking labor intensive. I want to do other stuff, like seat belts and a few other things. So there we go for this. I'm going to post this as a win, and then later on in a different video, I'll show how it was finished off. But not now.